Hello folks, today we're going to talk about the first step to successful marketing. We meet with a lot of different types of people here at J29 Creative Group. We meet with different organizations, business owners, CEOs, and people who are trying to start startups. Well, what do we hear the most is, hey, we want to get going on our marketing because we want to generate leads, we want to sell more of our services, we want to raise money and all this stuff. But at the end of the day, what we've learned is a lot of people don't really know who they are. And what do I mean by that? What I mean is a brand is more than just a pretty logo or some colors. It has to mean a lot more. It's identifying really who you are and how you'll engage with your audience. So before even starting a marketing plan or strategy, you gotta reverse engineer and start all over. Number one, okay, you have to know who you are. What are the things that gets you excited, as a business, as an organization? What do you wake up to and gets you motivated? And these are the core of who you are. So you have to define that in order to really understand your brand, okay? Once you have that, number two is knowing who is my target audience. And what I mean by that, not because, hey, I provide print, therefore, I need to match, people who need printing. That's not what I mean. Once you understand your core value, what are things that are meaningful to your brand? Those are the type of clients you want, because at the end of the day, there's a lot of people that's going to waste a lot of your time. And when you calculate the time wasted, you're not making anything. And also, you're hating your job day in and day out. So you have to find the right fit when it comes to a client, okay? It's as important as a client finding the right partner to help them market themselves or anything like that. So before you even get started, really understand who is my specific target that matches my core values and what would keep me doing it day in, day out, day in, day out. So that's number two. All right, number three. Okay, now that you got your target audience, you've got your brand, you know who you are, what's number three? It's getting that right message across. Now that you know your brand, how do you amplify it? Where do you need to be? Where is that special customer or client? You need to amplify that message and be where they're at. That is the key to good marketing. All right? Hey, if you like what you're hearing, comment below, and we love to hear your thoughts on this video. Until next time.